Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today we break down the latest in cryptocurrency, motivation, news, and policies. If you're part of the Pi Network community, you've probably been mining Pi for a while, eagerly waiting for the moment when you can finally access and use your tokens. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of unlocking your Pi tokens, so you don't miss out on the opportunity to take full advantage of this revolutionary project. Understanding Pi Network's locked tokens. Before we dive into the unlocking process, it's important to understand why your Pi tokens are locked in the first place. Pi Network has implemented a phased mainnet transition to ensure security and stability. This means that users must complete certain requirements before they can transfer their mined Pi to the open mainnet, where it becomes tradable and usable. These requirements include completing the Know Your Customer KYC verification, migrating tokens to the mainnet, and ensuring compliance with network rules. Step 1. Complete your KYC verification. First and most crucial step in unlocking your Pi tokens is completing the KYC process. Pi Network uses KYC to verify users' identities and prevent fraudulent accounts from manipulating the system. To complete KYC, open your Pi Network app and check for the KYC invitation. If eligible, follow the prompts to submit your identification documents and facial verification. If you haven't received an invitation yet, keep checking the app, as KYC slots are gradually rolled out. Once approved, you'll be eligible to migrate your Pi to the mainnet. Step 2. Migrate your Pi to the mainnet. Once your KYC is verified, the next step is to migrate your Pi tokens. Open the Pi Network app and navigate to the mainnet section. Here, you'll see an option to start the migration process. Ensure your Pi wallet is set up and linked correctly to receive your tokens. The migration process involves confirming your balance and agreeing to the network's lockup rules. After approval, your tokens will be transferred from your mining balance to your mainnet wallet. This is a critical step in unlocking the full potential of your Pi. Step 3. Understand lockup rules and adjust your settings. Pi Network has introduced a lockup mechanism that allows users to voluntarily lock up a portion of their tokens to support network security and long-term stability. While this is optional, higher lockup commitments may provide benefits, such as increased mining rewards in the future. In your Pi app, go to the lockup settings and adjust the amount and duration according to your preference. Keep in mind that locked-up Pi cannot be accessed until the selected lockup period expires. Step 4. Use your unlocked Pi tokens. After successfully migrating to the mainnet and adjusting your lockup settings, you can start using your unlocked Pi tokens. Currently, Pi Network is building an ecosystem of apps and services where Pi can be used for real-world transactions. You can explore Pi-friendly marketplaces, participate in peer-to-peer transactions, or hold your Pi as the network continues to grow. As exchange listings and more use cases develop, your unlocked tokens could become even more valuable. Final thoughts. Unlocking your Pi tokens is an essential step in becoming an active participant in the Pi Network's ecosystem. By completing KYC, migrating to the mainnet, and managing your lockup settings, you'll be well prepared for the future of Pi. As always, stay informed and be cautious of scams. Only follow official Pi Network channels for updates. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know, have you unlocked your Pi tokens yet? Thanks for watching Gold Matters, and we'll see you in the next video.